I hated my closet. Before I met you, my closet was a disaster and it was just pain for me to go into my closet. I literally had Versace, Louis Vuitton, and $25 Amazon dresses, and I was confused what to wear when I go on a, you know, what occasion. And after you came and there's colors, you know, everything is organized, the spring, the fall, the, you know, the beachwear, travel, everything is so organized, and I just couldn't have been happier.
And now you've opened up the world to other pieces because you were kind of getting stuck. You know what you like and you know what works for you, but then you had too much of it and you weren't expanding. So we've added new things that you wouldn't have gotten before, which is so awesome.
Yes, that's actually true. You introduced me to new styles. I never thought that is something that I would gravitate towards or even grab if I saw. So I only had one style and I would constantly wear those pieces, and then you're like, well, this is different, let's try. And now I love them.
And so it's been fun, like seeing the exploration of you trying new things. And with trying new things too, you find, you know what, maybe I didn't like this as much and I'm not wearing it too much, but at least you got to discover other styles outside of what you were wearing too.
Exactly. And then like I would have so many skirts and so many tops, and I never knew what color would really work so well with the other colors. I couldn't see the pattern. So you introduced me to, well, this is what goes with this, this is what goes with this, and now I love it. I'm like, ooh, I never thought this would work with this. I enjoy your positive attitude. I really love how just, you know, helpful and happy you are. Let's just start off by when I see you, you're so always well put together. I always, as you know, I always ask you, okay, send me the link for the boots, send me the link for the skirt. Oh, I never thought that I could do boots with this shorts. Now I've got an idea, I'm gonna go do that. So you already, when you come into my house, already I am inspired and excited. So you bring colors and you bring some interesting outfits. So I love that just right off the bat. And then as soon as you go to my closet just feels amazing and fresh and clean. I just love it. I love working with you. You're so easy to work with and you really are super responsive. If I just send you a text and say, hey, I've got a wedding and I need some help, immediately you will send me so many dresses that you know will fit my style, will fit my shape, I will look amazing in those dresses, and then you send me the shoes. So I just love that.